Hi everyone, I hope you are well and healthy and coping okay with staying inside at the moment, staying at home. Um, I thought it would be helpful to share some tips on some common aches that I see quite often. And I am going to start with shoulders and neck. I see lots of people that come in and to spend a lot of time doing this. Ooh, well, it's just here. There's a kind of a bit, I guess, in the middle of your back, just on the inside of your shoulder blades, which is quite a common place for people to feel tension. People usually feel it for quite a long time before they actually do anything about it. And I thought it would be useful just to share a few tips on maybe how you can help yourself with that in the current situation. Obviously, I don't know your exact medical history. I don't know exactly what your pain is and where it is. So do take care. And my advice on anything, any kind of movement that you're doing is if it hurts, stop doing it. If you have any specific questions, do get in touch. I'm going to do some online consultations, so 15 minutes or so. So if you do have specific questions, want more detail on anything I am going to talk about, then send me a message and let me know. And also, if you have any other problem spots, any other places where you often feel aches, let me know and I will address that in another video. What can you do? Firstly, my one piece of advice is to keep moving. Movement is medicine. Bear in mind, obviously, if the movement hurts, then don't do that or don't do as much. I think at the moment we are probably all working in different locations to normal and different situations. Perhaps you've got your desk set up in the kitchen, which is all fine. Make sure that you've got it set up properly so that you're not sitting for long periods of time in awkward positions. If you need to raise your screen up or your laptop up, get a few books and put it on that so that you can keep everything at eye level. And obviously this might mean that you're not moving about as much as usual. If you have an office job, then you'll probably be doing a lot of stuff on video calls rather than getting up and walking to a meeting room or getting up and walking to speak to your colleague, meet in the coffee shop. And it's really important to still build that movement into your day. So do think about just moving your shoulders. I would advise moving them backwards in small circles, and that will do quite a lot to remind your muscles to move and to not get stuck in one position. We all like to know a few stretches that can help. I'm going to show you a few really easy classic neck stretches. So you want to think about bringing your ear to your shoulder, so on the same side, so just like this. It's not about getting your ear to your shoulder, but it's about moving it and feeling a stretch in the opposite side. So if I'm going this way, I'll feel a stretch here. Try and keep your opposite shoulder down. So quite often I advise people to sit on their hands, bring your head up, and obviously repeat on the other side as well. You may notice a difference in the sides, that's all fine. But again, just move your head, feel a stretch and hold it there for about 20 seconds. Remember to keep breathing when you do this. And another stretch I'm going to show you is similar. So you start off the same way, ear to shoulder, and then look down towards the hip on that same side. And again, hold it for about 20 seconds. Keep breathing, and you should feel that stretching just down the back of your neck there. Do on the other side as well. So they're really two easy things that you can do. Also, you can think about stretching across the front. because this will help get these muscles at the back to be able to relax. You can just interlace your hands, do that behind you, pull back. Again, keep breathing, try and keep your body straight, so you're not just tilting your back, you're just really bringing your shoulders back. You can also do that, put your hands on your hips and move your elbows back. Again, hold all these stretches for about 20 seconds, keep breathing. It doesn't matter at all about how much movement is there, it's all about the intention to move, and breathing to enable your muscles to remember to relax and to get those joints moving in their full range. If you've got a particularly tricky spot in the back, I would grab something like a tennis ball. You can put that in the place where you feel it, so probably in between your shoulder blade and your spine, and then just lean gently back against a wall, move up and down a bit, and see if that helps to release the pain once you stop doing it. Once again, if you're doing that and you find for some reason it really, really hurts, then stop doing that, and we'll find something else that will be able to help you. My final tip on this is to use a towel. So get your towel, fold it or roll it in half, and then you're going to lie down on this with this against your spine. So it raises your spine up a little bit and allows your shoulders just to drop down. So you can lie down for as long as you want, really. Just feeling your shoulders, the back of your shoulders hit the floor, and stay there. Gravity is doing all the work on that one, so it's a great thing to do. Grab a towel, roll it up and lie on it. Again, keep breathing. If you slow your breathing down, it really does help you to relax. We are in stressful times at the moment, and anything we can do to help our body relax will help us manage that stress, and that will help us boost our immune system, because stress does not do good things to our immune system. So the government is letting us exercise outside, which is a really beneficial thing to do. It's a great way for helping our body to manage stress. If you're doing a new exercise, taking up a new activity, maybe you've been doing PE at 9 o'clock every morning, take it slowly, build up gradually. And again, if you find yourself doing something that doesn't feel right, then I would stop doing that or dial it back and just do it a little bit more gently. For more experienced athletes, again, there's a temptation, I think, to go a bit crazy with training at the moment. Just build up slowly if you're doing anything and manage your training. I don't think now is a time to go for crazy fitness. So keep moving, keep active, but build up slowly with whatever it is you're doing. So there we have it. If you've got some aches in your shoulders and neck, keep moving, roll your shoulders back, do some really simple neck stretches, lie on a towel, it will really help. And yeah, use what you have around the house. So if you can find a tennis ball or something like that, you can lean into that in a tricky spot in the middle of your back. As I said, if you want more information, if you have any particular questions, send me a message or leave a comment, and I will get back to you. But I hope you're all healthy and well, and look out for the next one. Let me know if you have any questions, any particular areas that you struggle with, that you'd like some help with, and I will get back to you. Take care, everyone.